In our last video, we made a very delicious cabbage stew. Chai! Today we are making a very aromatic, in fact, delving straight into the realms of palm nut soup, the Ghanaian way. A very warm welcome to the channel. If today is the first time here, my name is Yummy Cash. And to my returning subscribers, a very big thank you. So the first thing I will put into my pot is some toolo beef I made at home. Next is some smoked turkey wings. I'll add in this oven baked tilapia too. And then there's oven baked catfish. I'll also add in 2 pieces of the momoni we made some time ago. Do you remember? And then some smoked mackerel fish. I'll now add in some chopped onions. Then introduce the blended ingredient, which consists of onions, gingers, and some garlic. Now I add in 2 teaspoons of the spice mix I made some time ago, and then some prekese. Add in a little bit of water, add some salt to taste, and then cover it for about 10 minutes to start steaming. Whilst the fishes or the proteins are on fire, I have with me here this Ghana fresh palm nut cream. I'll be making use of all the cream in the tin, and I'm using only one for this recipe. If you're a family of, let's say, or let me put it like, if you have a large family or you want to make it in bulk, then you have to buy 2 or 3 tins of the concentrated palm nut cream. Now I added some hot water to help it melt it and give it a very good stir for everything to be well melted. Also, I added a little bit of the hot water into the tin to rinse it nicely, and then add it into the pot containing the rest of the liquid. Once I'm done with that, I will set it aside. So our protein have been steaming for about 10 minutes now. I will give it a gentle stir and once again cover it for additional 5 minutes. Now if you're using fresh meat or fresh chicken for this recipe, I would advise that you steam the fresh meat or the fresh chicken before adding in the smoked fishes. So it's been exactly 22 minutes of steaming the fishes. I will introduce in my vegetables. I'm not going to be adding in tomatoes because I made the soup on Sunday. I forgot to buy tomatoes on Saturday. So I added in some pepper, onions, and some carrots, and then pour into it the palm nut cream liquid. At this stage, there is not much to be done. I'm going to cover it and leave it on fire to start boiling. I boiled it or I cooked the soup for about 20 minutes and it started to reduce in quantity. That is a airy. So I had to off the fire and attend to other things. Now I'm removing all the vegetables out and also I'll be blending it together with 1 momoni. You can't imagine. Alright, yummies, I'm done with the blending process. I pour it and look at how beautiful the whole thing is looking like. I rinsed the blender, added the liquid, and also added more water because I don't want the palm nut soup to be too thick. Now I'm going to taste for salt and add in more if needed. Alright, I will cover it with the lid and leave it to simmer after it is well cooked, or oil surfaces on top, as you can see. And with the oil, I scooped almost all the oil and I used it in another recipe. Hopefully, I might, upload it sooner or later. I hope to see you again in my next video. Until then, always remember to do everything in love. And whenever you think food, do not forget to think yummy cash. Choose.